American dream. First, the college degree. Next, man's best friend. The white picket fence. The family. And the 9-to-5 job. But you probably didn't think about these guys. Sitting in an office chair isn't for everyone. This didn't grow out of the ground. It was built. Most people think you have to have a college degree to earn the big bucks. Try telling that to this welder. A 4-year degree isn't the answer for everyone. This electrician learned his trade debt-free. He earned it through an apprenticeship with the Associated Builders and Contractors of Iowa, where he was able to learn his trade on the job, all while he brought home a weekly paycheck. Now, more than ever, people are rediscovering the hard work that built this country. And these days, the same hard work can build one person's American dream. Demand for skilled labor is increasing. Skilled laborers often earn as much as those who graduate from 4-year universities without the massive debt. For every one job that requires a master's degree or higher, there are 2 jobs requiring a university degree and 7 jobs requiring a certificate or 2-year degree. And that's where the ABC of Iowa comes in. Since ABC of Iowa was chartered in 1974, it has trained thousands of workers who have helped build Iowa from the ground up. That's over 40 years of making, erecting, and raising the roofs over our heads in Iowa. The ABC of Iowa Apprenticeship Program prepares its students to enter the growing skilled labor workforce to become the builders, the makers, the ones who make this happen. 2/3 of high school graduates enroll in higher education, but over half of the jobs in today's economy are skilled labor jobs. That means that contractors are looking for people like you to help build Iowa's future. That's why ABC of Iowa is here to train the next generation of electricians, HVAC techs, plumbers, welders, and sheet metal workers who will shape the Iowa skyline. Because for some people, the best way to learn is to get your hands dirty. To learn the tricks of the trade from the ones who've been doing it for decades. It's about self-discovery. It's about who you are. It's what our world needs. What works for someone else might not be your path. The American dream is still alive. And ABC of Iowa is here to help you grab it for yourself. Because when Iowans think construction, they think ABC.